Hey guys, I'm here again. Today I am going to show you a new device from Laxihub, which is M1 Full HD 1080 indoor camera. It looks really good. This one is I think it's look a little bit smaller than other models, but yeah, overall it would be really amazing as well because it seems really compact and yeah, I'm really excited to check it out. So let's unbox it and then see what's inside and let's try it out together. Alright. So now I have just unboxed the package, of course, and these are the things that are included in the box. So as you can see, the camera itself is really nice and it's really light. I really like it, and as you can see here, it is the camera lens, the LED indicator, and on the back side you're gonna see the speaker, USB port, and the microphone is up here, right? And the reset button is here. Okay, so SD card slot is here. So yeah, and then with the tape, it's come with the tape and the user manual. Okay, and reset key and the power adapter, and of course USB cable. So now we have everything. I'm going to show you how to pair the camera with a smartphone. So now I'm going to show you how to pair your M1 camera with your mobile device. It is going to be very simple because I'm following the steps on the quick start guide book that is included in the box. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, that is what the current app looks like. You know, I have just downloaded it on my Play Store because I use Android device. If you use iOS device, you go to App Store and also go to the search tab and search for Orenti app and download it for free. You can also scan it from the box. It's also very simple. It's direct you to the download page. You can also download it from there. So yeah, the first step, you have to turn on your camera by plugging in the power adapter. So I'm plugging in, and then yeah, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. You have to make sure that they use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not the 5 GHz one, because that one is not compatible with our system. So, and then yeah, reset the device by press and hold the reset button for 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, you can use the reset key that is included in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so now make some noise and I think it's getting ready. You click on the tab icon that is up here in the middle of the screen. Okay, and then after that choose camera because it is a camera.
Please power on the device.
Okay, we have done that.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
Yeah,
Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, this stuff we have already done. I just told you, and you can click on next.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with.
Okay.
Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password.
Alright, so after you have chosen the right network, so you put the password in here, okay, and then click next.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code.
Okay.
Then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Okay, I'm removing the protector from the camera lens, and then I click on next to get the QR code and then scan it. Okay, and the notification heard.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Now we're waiting for the two devices connecting together, and when it's done, then it's going to appear some random name with the numbers, as you can see in the first device that appear on top. See, it is our M1 camera that is now connected with our smartphone. So if you want to change the name, you can click on the little pin there, okay, and change it. In this case I don't want to, so I just click on cancel, and then I click on done, and then refresh a little bit, then you get the device and click on it to check it out. Okay, turn off the speaker because it's going to make some noise. Now ignore, this is the motion detection that is now activated, so I just click ignore. Now yeah, you can move the camera itself as well, you see, by your hand. And as you can see on the screen, you can see live stream video there, and turn on the motion detection or turn it off. You know, just now it showed us the notification because it was on and now it's off, and I click on it to turn it on again. Okay, you can check history, and you can check out the history of your timeline when you have the cloud service activated, which is here, right? And then yeah, you can take photo. If you go underneath, you go like below, you can see 4 different icons where you can first take a photo by the first icon you click on it, see, and then you can also record a video by clicking on the second button. So now it says recording. If you don't want to record it anymore, you click on it again and press and hold the microphone icon there, so you can basically speak to your camera. Somebody is like close to your camera can hear it. See how cool is that? And release it when you want to stop it. Alright, the speaker, of course, when somebody from there speaking something in the camera to the camera, and then you can also hear it from your phone. I'm turning it off. Go to the top right corner, you're gonna see 3 dots, click on it, and of course there are different functions or features where you can, you know, also check it out. Receive alert notification, of course, now it is on. If you don't want it, turn it off. Okay, and device share, you can share your, you know, video live stream with your friends, your family, just by you know, watching the video here. And you can follow all the steps from the video. The instructions are really clear, so then you can add somebody to see your camera. And then yeah, device information, we have everything here, basic functions. It is very cool, I really love this. You can see, you know, turn the status light on or off by clicking on the first option here. The lights on your camera will be on or off, depends on your setting here. Rotate wheel, you can also turn on and off. You know, night vision, of course, on and off as well, automatic. In this case we turn it off. Of course it's daytime. Sleep mode, you can always turn the lens on, lens off. Privacy schedule, set the time when you want the lens to be off and on again. You know, you can always do the setting here. And geofence, this function means when you connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your camera, it's going to turn off the camera lens. Okay, and then yeah, besides that, there are also other different functions. Detection alarm, where you can turn on the motion detection, alright, where I just saw before. And noise detection, now it's on. If you want to turn it, now it's off. If you want to turn it on, you can click on this, what I have just done. So choose the label as well. Whenever it detects some noise, it's going to notify your phone with some alerts. Okay, and crying detection as well. It is a very cool function. The parents can use it to monitor their baby. Okay, and yeah, besides that, we have SD card, where you can record the video by full day recording or event recording. You can set the time as well, the event recording. And cloud storage service, you can use our cloud storage service if you want to try for 3 months for free. Of course, you can also choose the first option, and if you have some activation, you have some code, you can also enter the activation code here. Okay, and yeah, we have Amazon Echo. You can pair with it as well by following the guideline here. It's very clear, and you have some visual demonstration as well. You can also follow. and then Google Home here. Very simple to follow. Advanced feature, you have on-field settings, you can also configure it here, and of course delete the device. Okay, so I think it is not difficult for a beginner to um, playing with all these features, and I hope you also enjoy playing with it as I am. And yeah, of course, if you have any question, please let me know or send in some email to the company support. We're glad to help you out with any technical issues you have with your camera. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it as well. And yeah, see you next time.